Check out these books with themes related to this holiday. Check out these children's books. They're non-fiction books. Young adult fiction. These young adult graphic novels or manga or manga. Check out these anime DVDs. Try this easy origami kimono. Be the finished product. Using origami paper, fold in half. Using the first fold as a guide, fold in half once more. Turn it over and fold in half once more, making sure that the flap is free. Do the same on the other side. Now fold in half once more. Follow the middle folding line and cut towards that first fold. Make sure not to actually cut the fold. Fold the bottom two halves towards the center. This will be the bottom portion of our kimono. Now it's time to shape the collar of the kimono. Fold, leaving about a blank space worth of a fingertip. And fold again. Make sure that the collar rises above the back of the kimono. Using your fingers, press once more to make those crisp lines. Now this fold is a little tricky. You'll have to use both fingers to line up the fold so that it matches the line at the bottom of the kimono. Fold a small triangle on the top corners of the collar. This will give it its shape. It's time to make our obi. Cut a strip of paper from another origami sheet. Fold in half and cut again. Use one of the pieces to shape the obi. Make sure that it lines up with the bottom of the sleeves. Tuck in the ends inside the fold. And you have your very own kimono.